Are you a computer science graduate? You are a B.Tech computer science graduate? Are you an M.Tech computer science or allied courses graduate? And are you looking a career in SAP on the infrastructure side? Are you looking for a decent salary in SAP? Then SAP Basis is the right career for you. Hello everybody, this is MVK. You are watching MVK Career Guidance channel. Thanks for subscribing. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe now and click the bell icon for the notifications. Okay, let us get into more details on SAP Basis. See, SAP Basis. What is SAP Basis? SAP Basis is the role played by a consultant who will take care about installation of SAP as well as maintenance of SAP plus security. What is this? Friends, any particular application, if you are a computer science background, you will have various applications in the market, right? For example, you will have Dynamics, you will have Salesforce, you will have various privately built banking applications or regular applications, Java applications, Python applications. You might have seen there is an approach to install them in the system and manage it, right? Same thing applies in SAP as well. If you are aware about a basic fundamentals of infrastructure, when I say basic fundamentals of infrastructure, what is memory? What is storage? What is a core? How these are set? What is server? What is client? How the OS is installed in the server? What kind of OS is available in the market? And what applications will be built and how those applications are implemented or installed in a server. If you know all these basic things, then this career is useful for you and this career is meant for you. In SAP Basis, the first and foremost thing which you will be doing is you will be doing installation of SAP. SAP installation, obviously, if you want to install, you got to have a basic server availability. In SAP, we will not maintain a single system. There will be 2-3 systems available. We call it as system landscape. If we have implemented or installed SAP in one of the system and given to the users, that means let's assume that Reliance want to implement SAP. First, Reliance, what it will do, it will get 3 systems, 3 servers. First one is production, quality and development servers. As a basis guy, you will first install SAP in dev environment, then quality environment, then production environment. Then all the functional consultants, SAP, PP, MM, FIC, everybody will come and do the configuration setups in the dev environment. Then you as a basis consultant move those settings to the quality. From quality, it will be going to the production. So there is a series of activities. And finally, the production system will be given to the Reliance business users. When I say business users, you may be an accountant, you may be a procurement manager, you may be a sales executive. Those people will access the production system. So I given you this example to understand the depth of the work for a basis consultant. So you will be installing SAP in dev environment, quality environment and the production environment. What kind of versions available? What kind of database available? HANA, what kind of version are you going to implement even database side from the HANA side if at all you are doing that? What kind of OS patches are available? Whether this particular SAP application layer and HANA can be implemented on that OS or not? What is the hardware requirements to implement? All these points should be known by a basis consultant. That's the reason where at the beginning of the video I said you got to have knowledge on the infrastructure, that is especially memory, storage, OS level. So as a basis consultant, your career starts. First thing is you will get a system, dev environment. If you take as an example, first you need to be in a position to give the sizing of that. When I say sizing, how much memory should be there? Memory means RAM. What kind of storage should be there? Storage means HDD. And what kind of core should be there? Means like what kind of processor you're talking about, Intel, whatever it is. Like you have various kinds in that. That initially whatever that is the first job which you will be doing and which will be learned. Then you will be going ahead and comparing the OS operating system, and you will be installing the application layer, then the database layer. All these installation activities in all different systems, and then setting up the movement of the changes from one system to other system. This is the activities which you will do, and this is something which you will be trained as part of your training. Then once this is done, you also be giving the authorizations. SAP system will have authorizations. What do you mean by authorizations? Let's assume that you have dev, you have a quality, you have a production system. In the production system, you given to the business users. A sales guy, can he be in a position to see what is the cash balance in the organization? No, he can't see. A material management guy can go and see what is the sales done by X guy? No, he can't see. You will have a transactional control by SAP. This is managed by SAP Basis Consultant. So as a SAP Basis Consultant, you have installation is one role, and security we call it as that other role. So these two things which is required for a basis consultant. So I given you the boundary of the curriculum. You can go and get this trained in any one of the institutions locally available. Usually they will take 2 to 3 months for completion of this program, an average of 2 to 3 hours per day. You need to make sure, see that the training is given by the experienced guy and he is giving hands-on experience, and you are having access to the systems. Then only it makes sense, right? Apart from this, SAP also give the training. You can also check sap.com, training.sap.com, where you will get this training. It is expensive, of course, but you are doing from authorized educational institution. So once you are done with your training, the next step is you need to make sure and get into a live environment. Probably when you do this particular training, they will be giving systems. Please get into a live or demo projects where you try to get information on the implementation methodology and also your role as a basis consultant. Once you are identified the curriculum, once you have taken the training, then once you are done with your live projects or dummy projects, you are ready. Then go and join anywhere as a trainee or a beginner in any organization. Trust me, in just 2-3 years, you will be in a very good position. Usually, SAP basis consultants will get a salary of 2.5 to 3 lakhs at the beginning, and they can go up to 40-50 lakhs also per annum based on your experience. But you always need to add and upscale your skills. There are various other related modules which you need to learn so that your salaries can even go and touch 80 lakhs also per annum. Hope this video is useful for you. If you like it, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon for the more notifications, and also share this video to all the needy people. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.